From fresh whiplash over US tariffs to good news, bad news at Nvidia, this is the week in numbers. 50% was, and then wasn't, set to be the US tariff on EU products from June 1st. Trump threatened to set that levy, frustrated by the pace of talks. But he then backed off after a call with European Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said tough talking had proved effective.
And as we saw with the president's threat of 50% tariffs last Friday, the EU came to the table very quickly over the weekend. So now we've got the EU in motion also.
69% was the surge in sales for Nvidia over the latest quarter. The news cheered markets and sent shares higher. But the firm warned that US curbs on shipments to China would cut $8 billion off sales in the coming period. That forced it to offer a forecast below Wall Street expectations. 49% was the plunge in European sales for Tesla in April. That drop came even as the region's overall market for EVs jumped. Analysts say the number suggests an updated Model Y crossover isn't boosting Tesla sales in Europe, where the brand has been hurt by Elon Musk's embrace of right-wing politics. Almost $15.5 billion was the record revenue at Xiaomi. The all-time high comes as the phone maker steps up its move into the car market. This week its YU7 SUV hit showrooms, aimed squarely at taking another chunk out of Tesla sales. And close to $327 million was the record box office for the top 10 films at North American cinemas over any Memorial Day weekend. Takings were boosted by the latest Mission Impossible blockbuster, as well as Disney's live-action remake of Lilo and Stitch. The numbers offered a desperately needed boost for the movie industry, with ticket sales still below pre-pandemic levels.